Guys, for today's warm-up, we're going to look at number 1. It wants us to factor. So we have 4x plus 5 plus 12x plus 7. Well, in order to factor, we have to find the like terms first. So I know that 4x is a like term to positive 12x, and positive 5 is a like term to positive 7. Now that I know this information, I can combine like terms. We can combine 4x plus 12x and 5 plus 7. Well, 4x plus 12x gives us 16x, and 5 plus 7 gives us 12. So now we have 16x plus 12. Well, now in order to factor, we have to find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor for 16x and 12 is 4. And 4 times 4x gives us 16x, and 4 times 3 gives us 12. That's our answer for number 1. Looking at number 2, it wants us to write an expression. It says George went to the arcade. He played a lot of tickets from his games and used his tickets to win prizes. 3 chocolate candies cost 2 tickets each, and 4 army men cost U tickets each, and 7 yo-yo cost K tickets each. Express how much tickets he used in all. Looking at this information, we're going to take it step by step. So the first information that we were given was that 3 chocolate candies cost 2 tickets each. So if you wanted to buy 3, they cost 2 tickets each. Well, in order to figure out how much tickets each one cost in total, we have to multiply 3 times 2, which would give us 6. And then it tells us that 4 army men cost 4 U tickets each. So we need to add 4 times U plus, because we're trying to figure out how much tickets he used in all. And the last set of information was given was that 7 yo-yos cost K tickets each. So we need to multiply 7 times K to give us our expression. So our expression would be 6 plus 4U plus 7K. Moving on to number 3, it wants us to solve and to simplify if we can. We have 1/3 plus 2/3. Well, in order to add fractions, we have to make sure that the denominator are the same. So I know that the next closest number that will go in for both 3 and 2 to get a number, a common denominator, would be 6. So we need to multiply 3 times 2 to give us 6. Whatever we multiply the denominator by, we have to multiply the numerator by. And then that means if we're trying to get 6, we have to multiply 2 times 3. And whatever we do to the denominator, we got to do it to the numerator. So now we have 2 times 1 gives us 2, and 2 times 3 gives us 6, plus 1 times 3 gives us 3, and 3 times 2 gives us 6. When we add across, we get 2 plus 3 gives us 5, and our denominator was 6, so our answer would be 5, 6, and we cannot simplify. Our last number is number 4. It wants us to write a fraction, decimal, and as percent. So this is a 10 by 10 square, so it goes 10 across and 10 down. Well, 10 times 10 gives us 100, so we know this is 100 total. So we're going to count down. So this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 38 out of 100 shaded. So we can write it as a fraction 38 over 100, or as a decimal 0.38. And as a percent, it would be 38%.